Good morning, traders. This is your pre-market stocks to watch. Today is April the 24th, 2020. I am your host, James Mason, and let's talk about the market. So looking at the Dow futures, we can see right here before the bell that we have a little green MACD, but at least the 5-minute candles are above that middle Bollinger Band line. Overall, the futures are green coming out the gates. They're pretty strong, but what I'll be looking for is this range right here, 23,485. I want to make sure that it stays above that. That will be our support for the futures with a resistance at 23,692. So the first ticker AXP. And I'm looking at this one on the Why Is It Moving Catalyst feature. A few days ago, or I think last week actually, it had alerted as a bullish swing trade. Okay, so on the 17th, it alerted as a bullish swing trade, and also the 16th. And this bad boy is now pushing up pretty well. That downtrended some, gave you opportunity to scale in. And now, after the earnings are over, because you never want to trade into the earnings, swing trade at least. But now that the earnings are over, we have this news here that AXP's shares are trading higher after the company reported better than expected Q1 EPS results. And that's perfect for us because today's market is pretty daggone bullish. So what I would be looking for here is how this one is going to hold up on this support at 83.24. If it comes down here, bounces, and takes off running, target price 85. Now if it breaks that 85 mark, 85 will be that good area for that turning point to start showing a true reversal and going on a bullish run. After 85, the next resistance will be 88. And that is ticker AXP. The next one, ticker ZM. So the other day, I spoke about Zoom, and this bad boy started running like crazy after that. We can see how much it has ran. I mean, it's pushing up hardcore. It has created all-time highs. So overall, I am extremely bullish on this. But with it creating these all-time highs, that's what kind of concerns me, because you really don't have a range to go off of for a resistance. So what I would look for here is I would try to track this and keep my eye on the futures overall. If the futures are starting to get weak and pull back, I would hold off on this trade. But if the futures are coming out strong, I would watch this thing. And as long as the MACD was green, the 5-minute candles were above that VWAP line, the 5-minute candles above that middle Bollinger Band line, I would start scaling in bullish and then try to ride that momentum up. So currently, this is going for around 175. Right, let's see, it's kind of jump around, but we'll just put it in the middle at 175.40. And with that number right there, I'd probably give it about 10 minutes out the gate before making a decision on it. My main concern again would be making sure it's staying above that middle Bollinger Band line and that VWAP line. Now, if it would downtrend, I'm going to look for it to see what it does around that 50 EMA line. If it breaks that, what is it going to do on the 100 EMA line? Now, I believe it will hold up on the 100, and if it does, I would seriously consider going long there. And that's just me personally. That's not advice. So, just something to keep an eye out for. I appreciate your time. I'm going to keep this one short today, but I appreciate y'all's time. It's Friday. Watch out for those swing trades during the weekend. You never know what can happen with any kind of macro events. So, I'll catch y'all later. Trade safe, and I'll see you in the next one.